Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm preparing taco salad. Taco salad usually involves a lot of ingredients. There's always a lot of slicing, dicing, chopping, and mincing, but it's still fun to make. It's a dish that presents well, it's very healthy, and it's delicious. But most of all, it's easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over ingredients. Now, the first thing I have is some lean ground beef and some taco chips. I have some grated cheese. I have sliced lettuce, diced tomato, sliced avocado, diced red pepper, minced cilantro, chopped cucumber, sliced red onion, diced white onion, and some sliced olives. I also have some taco seasoning, some lime, and I have some salsa, and I also have some sour cream or yogurt. You can choose one or the other or both. Now, what I like to do first is prepare all my vegetables. Just do all your slicing and dicing right now. Once that's all done, then I'm going to saute my meat. I'll put my meat into a frying pan and just fry that up. Once it starts to turn brown, I'll add my minced white onion. And once that's starting to cook, I'm going to add my taco seasoning. You can just sprinkle in to taste, maybe a couple of tablespoons, but you have to put some in and try it just to make sure you don't overdo it. Once you put your taco seasoning in, add a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon or two. Stir that around, and once it's completely cooked, just turn it off. If there's any excess grease, just drain it off, otherwise just leave it. Now what I do is I take a plate, and a big plate always works the best. And just add your lettuce, put some lettuce on there, just kind of spread it around. And once you've done that, take some diced tomatoes and put those maybe on one side of the plate. And then take your red peppers and put those on the other side. You don't want reds too close to reds, you want to keep some contrasting colors. And once I've done that, I'll add some olives and then find some room on there for some red onion. And just kind of keep, spreading things around, trying to make it look good. Then I'll add some cucumber. And once I've added some cucumber, I'll add some avocado. Then I can take my meat and I'll put my meat in the center. And then I'll add some chips, put chips maybe one or two places. Then I'll sprinkle some cheese over top. Then I'll sprinkle some cilantro over top. Then I'm going to put my salsa atop the meat, add my sour cream or yogurt on top of the salsa. So there it is, my friends. There is my taco salad. It looks really good. Now we can eat. Okay, so you saw me plate my salad up. I did that more for presentation. I wanted to show you how good it can look. But as far as eating is concerned, presentation goes out the window for me when it comes to eating salad. Because I just want to smoosh everything together, enjoy all those flavors and all those ingredients. So I got my fork and I'm ready to dig in. Okay, try and get a little bit of everything here. Wow, that's good. When you get a forkful here, you taste pretty much everything at the same time. It's really good. I'm tasting cheese, olives, cilantro, all at the same time. I also like the texture. You got the crunchy chips and crunchy lettuce, and you got the soft avocado and the peppers and everything else and the cheese. It's really good. Tastes taco seasoning. That's fantastic. Now, I'm not big on sour cream. With a little bit of sour cream I put in here, it does two things. When it's mixed with the salsa, that's kind of like a dressing, but it also helps bind everything together. So it binds everything together very well, and it really works. And it's not overpowering at all. That's so good. Actually feels healthy too. Well, there it is, my friends, taco salad. I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Until we eat again, cheers. Hi, me again. Today when I made taco salad, I used lean ground beef, but you can use any kind of meat you want, including a plant-based product. And I also use lettuce, but spinach works very well also. And if you want to add some color, how about some beans and corn? If you want to spice it up a bit, how about some hot peppers? Cooking can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. So go ahead, have fun, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit, my friends. Bye now.
Con la bendición de Dios, y lo quiero y lo